welcome back to the Sherrese and Nana channel. We got something for you today, and I got Sherese's help to do something that guys aren't really used to doing. It was very difficult for me to try this myself, but thankfully I got Sherrese here to help me out. Okay, as you guys can see down below, I'm gonna be getting a bun done. All right. As you guys know, my hair isn't short per se. At least I don't think it's short. Some people think it's short, but it's not the kind of hair you would look at it and say, hey, he can do a nice ponytail or have a nice bun. But you know what I'm saying, guys? Don't let them fool you, okay? Because the sky's the limit for us, alright? No one can stop us. And today we're going to show you just how we're going to break through.
I'm going to be actually showing you guys how to use a tie because I know him. He kind of was struggling in that area a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to use a hair tie and all the other steps. It'll be a quick video, so let's get straight into it. But before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And honestly, guys, this video's for the guys because, the girls have some secret techniques. These hair ties and whatnot.
Not really. It's not techniques.
Secret techniques. Alright, but today, we're going to find out what they be doing. Alright?
We're learning something new today.
Okay, let's get right to it.
Let's go. You look like me.
Chill. Don't doubt yourself. This is a pretty big bun. I'm not gonna lie, I'm surprised it's on my hair. Not to even use a sock or anything that you guys be using. I know you guys be using that sock for your buns. You have one?
Yep.
Where it at?
It's too big for your hair though.
Humble yourself,
It is. You want me to bring it? It's a huge donut.
How much longer than mine?
It's a huge donut.
Our hair is virtually the same length.
No, it's not. Comment down below if you think our hair is the same length. Like, really?
I just cut my hair. That's why I just like.
Sure. You don't even cut your hair.
I just
this is years of.